Yo, what up guys, iReapism here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a map called RaZe. This is going to be the development of RaZe, and this is the first episode of this series. And I just want to mention something really quick here. Everything that you see is subject to change. Just want to throw that out there, because I don't want you guys to be confused with everything that's laid out right now. It's very temporary, I think it is, at least for me right now. And so yeah, let's continue. So for those that are concerned with that name, let me just explain something. Previously, some Reckra members and a few others knew about this map called RaZe I was working on, alongside with 7327. Now what happened with that is, to work on two maps along like that can be very hard and difficult to manage, especially with the redstone intensity of both maps. They're going to be very redstone heavy. And to work on both of them is a little bit silly, so I decided to hold the development of that old map RaZe, and I also swapped names of the maps. So this one is going to be called RaZe now, and that other map, the MOBA style map that RaZe was going to be originally, will no longer have a name for now until I start working on that map. So yeah, this is called RaZe. I thought, I like the name and I want to preserve it. So yeah, let me explain the redstone so far in the map currently. We have the initial game clock right over here, and we have set teams, we have set team properties, and creating all variables, and I'll get to that in a little bit here. And so this clock will start running. It's going to test for a player that is 20 blocks within that region, not on a team and in game mode 0. And if that is true, the comparator will activate. It'll turn off command block output and these two set block commands. And as you can see, one of them will just set a block there, disabling the clock, not needed anymore. And the other will set right here, and it will say initializing RaZe for the first time. And nice little messages telling you what's being activated essentially. So yeah, pretty cool stuff, eh? Now basically I'm gonna take you guys to the map itself, and that is located at 0770. And once I get there, I will show you everything that I have so far there. Alright guys, so we're here, and basically what I have right here is a very narrow kind of pathway that will be leading to the map right there. You can only see it from this distance if you have render distance 16 on. So you won't necessarily see it unless you're just running render distance 16 like I do, I guess. But anyways, let me just say one thing. This beacon and the stair over there, that represents the end of the map. The beacon will represent the end of the map, and the stair will represent the beginning. Now if you spawn looking at a certain orientation, you can see both ends and beginning at the same same perspective. So you can access both of the mini versions of the map which will be there. So you don't have to like walk the distance, like I'm going to show you right here. Like you don't have to walk the distance, because these are obviously not built to scale. So they're going to be much larger and a little bit harder to navigate. So having both ends like that will be much easier for the player to interact between them. Say like they want to go to the middle of the map, they can discover that easily, whichever side they think is closer to them. So this is the actual map so far. These are nodes for classes. Yes, they're going to be in the map, I think. And the idea behind these, again, all subject to change, is that they spawn with their items here. And, they're in this like little node, and they can see the other nodes through this white glass I have on the sides. And yeah, I'm going to demonstrate in a little bit here exactly what I mean by that and my intentions for this. So these are all the nodes. You'll be able to see each other if you're standing right here. You'll be able to look to left and right, and you'll know like who's next to you, I guess. Kind of like a race track setup, like a race. And I'm going to demonstrate here right now. I'm going to demonstrate that. So yeah, you'll be able to see them. And now let's say I give you the scenario where we're in a race car track. You can't get out. But if you look to left and right, you can see your teammates, right? Like that. and when the game starts, they will open. So that's the idea. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I mean, very early images. You're looking at the map basically, and I just wanted to tell you this is a voiceover over the footage because I didn't want to make the first episode with bad quality. I wanted to just ensure you that I'm going to try to go for the best quality on my channel. Again, I can't figure out how to record Audacity while recording with another my other recording software. I don't know how to link them together so it records at the same time. So this is a voiceover. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. But you probably could have you probably noticed that already. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is about it for the first episode. It's very short, so just wanted to show you my current project on, you know, on Minecraft. This is my current project, and plan to release in a few months. I'm gonna squeeze in beta testers like there's no tomorrow. I'm gonna get Reckra involved. I'm gonna get a few other groups involved that I've met through 7327 in its development, and yeah, it's gonna be great. So I will see you guys later. Take care, and see you next episode. Peace out now.